Now we discuss few more question of AP. See this one. But he say the sum of n term of two arithmetic progression are in the ratio 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Then find the value of its 17 term, ratio of their 17 terms. Now see this one. Sum of n term Sn upon Sn, let it is n dash, means the two terms having same number of terms, their common difference and first term are different. See this one, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula for first term. It is a1, it is d1. It is n by 2 a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equals to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. This n by 2 get cancelled. We need a ratio of 18th term. 18th. So in case of 18th term, we have formula a plus 17d. It means a should be alone. This 2 is extra. We can take 2 common. It is a1 n minus 1 upon 2 into d1. 2 common. a2 n minus 1 upon 2 into d2 is equals to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. This 2 get cancelled. Now it is a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into d1. He asked about the ratio of 18 term. 18 term is a plus 17d. Now see this one, a is there, n minus 1 upon 2 should be replaced by 17. Then see what happened. N minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 17. N minus 1 is equals to 34. N is equals to 35. So in this equation you have to substitute n is equals to 35. a1 plus 35 minus 1 upon 2 into d1 upon a2 35 minus 1 upon 2 into d2 is equals to 5 into 35 plus 4, 9 into 35 plus 6. If you see 35 minus 1, 34, 34 upon 2, 17. So it becomes a1 plus 17 d1 upon a2 plus 17 d2 is equals to 35 into 5, 175 plus 4 upon 35 into 9, it is 315 plus 6. A plus 17d, it is tells about the 18th term, it is a18, it is also a18, let it be a dash because the two different term is equals to 179 upon 321. So this is the ratio of 18 term to the 18 term when the ratio of sum is given to you. Now we discuss one more question. See the statement of the question. The difference between any two consecutive interior angle of a polygon is 5 degree. Difference between any two consecutive interior angle of a polygon is 5 degree and the smallest angle is 120 degree. Smallest angle is 120 degree. Then find the number of sides of polygon. Now see, it is given the difference between the two smallest angle of a polygon is 5 degree and the smallest angle is 120 degree side of polygons. A polygon means a closed figure. It may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 10, any sides it can have. So let us see, when initial angle A is given, D is given, then what is the formula for the total angle of a polygon? It is simple, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is n by 2 2 into 120 plus n minus 1 into 5. it is n by 2 240 plus 5n minus 5. Now it is n by 2 235 plus 5n. It is the formula for sum of angle of a closed polygon, because the first angle is given to you, it is 120 degree, and the difference d is given to you, it is equals to 5 degree. So according to us, this is the formula for Sn. But there is a one more formula for closed figure, angle of a closed figure. Now see this one. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. You can check it. If it is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Then 3 minus 2 into 180. Your answer is 180. You know very well the sum of angle of a triangle is equals to 180. If you discuss about a quadrilateral having 4 sides, then 4 minus 2 into 180, it is 2 into 180, that is equals to 360. You also know very well the angle of a quadrilateral is 360. So this is the formula to calculate the angle of a polygon, closed figure, n minus 2 into 180. This is also formula for a regular polygon. This is also formula for regular polygon. So it means these two must be equal. N minus 2 into 180. It is n minus 2 into 180. So now to simplify, we will cross multiply and make the equation. So n into 235 plus 5n is equals to n minus 2 into 360. This 2 should be multiplied. It is 235n plus 5n square is equals to 360n minus 720, or 5n square 235n minus 360n plus 720 equals to 0. 5n square. Now it is 360 minus 235, 35, 40. It is 125 along with minus 125n plus 720. Or you can short the equation by divide by the 5n square 25n plus 5 1 za 5, 2 and 2, 5 4 za 2 and 5 1 za 5, 5 4 za 5 4 za 144. That is equals to 0. Now you can factorize. It is n minus 16 and n minus 9. So n minus 16 is equals to 0, n minus 9 is equals to 0. N is equals to 16, n is equals to 9. Here are the two answers. So let us verify about the answer, which answer is correct. So first of all, we find A9. A9 is equals to A plus 8D. Value of A 120 plus 8 into D, that is 5 degree. So it is equals to 120 plus 8 5s are 40. It is 160 degree. Definitely it is less than 180. A16, A plus 15D, that is A is equals to 120 plus 15 into 5, 120 plus 75, that is 195. It is greater than 180. So this is not possible. Answer 160 is less than 180. Maximum angle is 160. Your angle is less than 180. So answer is 9. Only the 9 term of this polygon are there, in which the number of terms are angle A 120, D 5, and total number of terms is polygonal 9.